Hi there. I'm recording a video on how to use Google Meets to make outbound calls today. Because as we're all working remotely, this is a free way to call people without having to use your cell phone. Call quality is pretty good, and it is free. So we're going to go ahead and get into a Google Meet. I'm already here. You can just go to meet.google.com, start a free meet, and then once you're inside of a meet, you can go ahead and click on the little people button. When you click on Add People, it's going to give you the option to call somebody. And I'm going to enter the phone number for our support line just so you can hear 208-7185 and click on call.
Riverside Unified School District Technology Support Line. For English, press 1.
Para español, marque 2.
So you can use that to call anybody you need to, whether it's a student, family, whether it's a staff member, whether it's an administrator, whoever. And it doesn't cost us money as a district. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at support@riversideunified.org or 951-208-7185. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.